Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we are going to unbox and do our initial review of the Aolon GTS. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product. This is from Aolon and this is their Aolon GTS. In the front, so we have here the Aolon GTS and the specification. So it has 1.83 inch TFT 240 by 284 HD screen and 24-hour heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, ultra thin and light, and IP67 waterproof. Alright, and we have here the black version guys, and at the back so we have just also the other information. So without further ado, let's open the box. And guys, if you want to check this product out, just tap on the link in the description box and get yours. Okay, and now let's take this one out. Just have to slide this one there. Okay. Whoa, it's nice guys, it's very minimalist. Okay, we have here the black strap. Okay, let's set this aside, and then we also have here the charging cable. Okay, and the product itself. So let's take this one out, and at the back so we have here the manual. If you have any questions, you can refer to your manual. Okay, so it has in English and another language. So let's set that aside, and voila guys, so this is our Aolon GTS. It's very lightweight guys, and at the back so we have here the sensors, I believe, on the sides. So we have there the power on and off button on top. So I think this is the speaker grill. Okay, so let's take this, let's turn it on. Okay, so it says there guys, Aolon. Okay, so this is the interface guys. Okay, let's check the features of this watch. So let's scroll down. So we have here the different features. So I think these are the shortcuts. Okay, so we have here the brightness. Okay, and we also have here, this is the calculator. Okay, and let's scroll up. So this is for notifications, and we swipe to the right. So here are the shortcuts also guys, and we have here the QR code. We swipe to the left, so we have here the shortcuts, so you can add which widgets you like. Okay, and then when we are going to press the button here, so we have here the different features. So we have here steps. Okay, activity. So we have here popular, athletics, bikes, cycling, motocross, mountain biking. Okay, we have activity record. This we also have here messages and connect. So we have here contact person, dial pad, call history. Okay, voice assistant, it also has health. Okay, the heart rate. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. Okay, and then we also have here blood oxygen level and the blood pressure. Okay, but if you have any health issues guys, you should use the appropriate or the recommended equipment for that. Okay, and then we also have here menstrual cycle. This is for women, and breathing. Okay, so this is for relaxation. Sleep. Okay, it will also detect your sleep guys. Music player. Games, so it has games guys, 2 games. So there's like racing game here. Okay, I think I kind of like this game. Okay. Boogs, game over. And we also have here, I don't know this game, play this game, but anyway, it has two games, guys. Okay, and then we also have here utilities. So ambient sound. Okay. E-card, it also has stopwatch, timer, calculator, flashlight, alarm clock. Okay. Shutter, this is when you connect this one to your phone. We also have here weather, find my phone, settings. We have here the display, the brightness, watch faces, guys. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watch faces. Okay, it also has the vibration intensity. So in my case, let's turn it off. DND mode or the not disturb mode, media audio. Okay. Okay, we also have low power mode, theater mode, password, system. Okay, product information, and language. Okay, it also has here the app, so you just have to scan the QR code for you to look at the or use the watch to synchronize with your phone. All right, so okay, by the way, this is here the charging port, so it's very it has a good hold. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna wear this one, guys, and let's check its comfortability. So here it is, guys, our Aolon GTS. It's very compact, guys, so when you are wearing this one, it seems like you are not really wearing any watch at all. It's very lightweight, and I can really recommend this for people who wants to go outdoors and who don't want to really wear those bulky watches. So this one is really good for you, and for start up with a smartwatch, this is a good product. Yes. Okay, so guys, let me know about your thoughts of this Aolon GTS. And by the way, guys, I can say that this watch has lots of feature, and I think that these can really be helpful, especially if you are outdoor. Okay, so guys, again, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.